This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the time on your Hyundai Santa Fe. First, locate the clock button on your audio system. It's usually near the display. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until the hour display starts flashing. This indicates you're in the clock setting mode and ready to make adjustments. It's a simple first step to ensure your vehicle's time is accurate. Once the hour display is flashing, you'll use the tune knob to adjust the time. Rotate the knob clockwise to advance the hour or counterclockwise to go back. Take your time to set the correct hour. After you've selected the right hour, press the clock button once more. This action will confirm your hour selection and move you to the next step, which is setting the minutes. Now that the hour is set, the minute display will start flashing. Just like with the hours, you'll use the tune knob to adjust the minutes. Turn the knob clockwise to increase the minutes or counterclockwise to decrease them. Be precise here to ensure your clock is perfectly accurate. Once you have the correct minutes displayed, you're almost done with the process. To finalize the time setting, simply press the clock button one last time. This action saves all your adjustments. The display will stop flashing, and your new, accurate time will be shown. Your Hyundai Santa Fe's clock is now correctly set. It's a quick and easy process to keep your vehicle's time up to date, ensuring you're always on schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.